Now, the first part of this webinar has been describing how we translate strategy into action in the form of processes, things that the organization does day in, day out. The other activity that organizations do are projects, things that we do when we stop our day jobs and do a specific activity to build a better process in the organization. So the linkage analysis is similar. We should be able to take that same hierarchy and list it down the left-hand side of a table. And across the top, we'll list some of the projects or initiatives that we have in our budget. In this case, we took a few examples of growth projects, like the North LRT, renewal projects, like the Walterdale Bridge, and internal composite program, things like the facilities and equipment work. And then we should be able to do the same thing. Which objectives and strategic goals do each of the projects impact? In this way, we can make sure the projects are aligned to the strategic objectives. Now, we learned a couple of things in this exercise. First off, we found out that it was easy to rate and rank the impact of projects against those objectives. Now, we only did a sampling of the projects, but we understand this could be extended for all projects. We also learned that each project impacts multiple objectives, or conversely, each objective has multiple projects that will support its ultimate success. We understand that we are only doing transform urban form, but if this were continued with the other goals, we'd be able to see the network of connections that each project has. So we tested this and validated it would be a useful way to help build scorecards that showed where projects impacted which goals.